Green line gets the point. 2 points.
Gia, you were very specific about this, Gia. So hindi kailangan i-shoot ni Tenden ha, basta matamaan lang ni Tenden yung basket.
Dapat na-shoot yung ball eh. Joke lang pa.